Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Motorola Razr Ultra. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is at the bottom, right here. That's a main speaker on this device. Next one is on the top of the screen right here, that's a phone call speaker, and that's basically all of them. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Okay, so clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that would mean this phone does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.